Surprise out ko pala ito, no? I was really surprised. Pasensya na wala uli yung boses. I know you take time and you took time and effort to have this party separate from the party that I had yesterday. Ako may nagtutuwa, no? It really made me happy. Hindi lang ako masyadong gusto ko sana yung magkakanta. Hindi naman ako pwedeng kumanta. No? Pero okay lang sayaw din kahit pa paano. Maraming salamat sa inyo. I still take pride that the officers and staff of Branch 41 at TCP na Malaya is the best in the province. Both in the disposition of cases, pati na rin sa kantahan at sayaw. So, muli thank you very much, Tony, everybody. Salamat sa inyo. Hindi man nag-die down yung euphoria ko kahapon ng birthday ko up to now. Actually, I'm still going to another party. This is o'clock. Baka pagkatapos nun, wala nang lumabas ulit sa boses ko. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Happy to you.